Previously on Walking Street.
Oh, no flour, thank you.
You're not good to purchase.
No.
I buy something.
Huh?
I buy something.
So she's up in your room right now chilling.
Cover your face for it.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Let me say what the fuck you been on my life? Ah, shit. Oh, Jesus, man. Hey, what's your been on his life, man?
Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Whoa, baby, nais ko nakita yung dalagitang Pilipina.
As we proceed, I continue to give you what you need. Welcome back, welcome back. Gotta love AC, but it was time to shake the spot and catch flight. Time to go back to Cebu. My search for my real live mermaid continues. And this right here is going to be the third installation of Cebu Nights and the final. Ride with me as I take you through one of the most epic nights I had out here in Cebu in a club called Icons. I want to go ahead first and take the time out of my day to thank the members of the squad who have subscribed to me. Thanks for faithfully watching me and give my videos thumbs up. That inspires me to do more. This night right here had a lot going on. Partying, missing Jose Cuervo, beautiful Cebuanas. It was a lit night, but let's go ahead and jump into the video. Man, oh man, man down. Hey, but this right here is why it's good to have battle buddies or somebody out there with you when you're drinking. These right here are good chaps. Look at him, he took care of his friend. He just had a little dance with him first, but he took care of him. He took him home. This is the importance of mingling and socializing with other travelers when you're in another country. People are generally very friendly. Like these guys right here, they took me out to this club called Icon, and we met over at Bamboozers, and they're like, hey man, you want to go? I was like, yeah, fuck yeah, why not? And we had a blast this night, man, a blast. That's why I love traveling. You meet people from everywhere.
Everybody got choices. These niggas be hating, I already know, but I never go broke.
Fall up in the club and everybody waiting? What? This is the first scene I seen when I walked into this club. This got the ingredients of a night that is about to be lit. It's about to go down. Man, oh man, what a night. Gotta love the copyrighted music. I guess they want me recording in like libraries or museums where there's no music, and you know, it's all good. I'll find out another way to put this stuff out so that you can just see it straight through and enjoy the experience with me without me getting copyrighted. But it's all good. And we made it through. And I want to thank y'all for rocking with me and watching this video. Also, shout out to Jeremy out there in Cebu, man. If y'all are in the area, you might want to use him. He's a great tour guide, and he knows where everything is and all the lit spots. Sometimes it's better to ask for help or talk to people, you know what I mean? And I'm glad I ran into this guy. But anyways, more is coming. Hangover Part 2 is coming. I'm dropping that pretty soon. But get at me, man. Travel Squad, 2Ds in a period. Where I go, you go.